Hey guys, what's going on? My name's Aiden, and welcome to Windows 10. So, today I am going to be pretty much explaining to you guys everything about Windows 10, from the Windows 10 Insider program to the significance of Windows 10 to the changes that Windows 10 or that have been made in Windows 10. So yeah. So for the next, I don't know, 20, 25 minutes or so, just sit back and by the end of this, you will probably know whether or not you want to upgrade to Windows 10 anytime soon. You probably will have to at one point, but for now, um, yeah. So, we can't really understand Windows 10 unless we understand what a Windows Insider is. In this bottom corner here, it says Windows 10 Pro Insider Preview, Evaluation Copy, Build 10130. That's the latest build, and that's like a version number right there. Now, what this Windows 10 Pro Insider Preview is how do you describe a Windows Insider? I guess the closest actual comparison would be a beta tester, but in reality, it's more than that. Windows Insider is a mix of a beta tester and a developer. So what we do is we test out things that Windows sends us, and we have a very, very, very heavy influence on what gets put in and what doesn't get put into Windows. And this is a very new thing, actually. Although it's been done in Linux for quite a while because Linux is open source, nonprofit, it hasn't really been done in a for profit operating system like, say, Windows or Mac. And I personally really, really like that they're doing this. The fact that I can go to the Windows Feedback app, which is right here, or in the actual start menu down here, and just make a suggestion, and if a lot of people like it, Microsoft will very likely add it. I mean, to give you examples, the new recycle bin icon, just the old one. I'm sorry, it was horrible. I that they had like a placeholder icon, and I can't remember what it was, but it just looked so bad, and it was bad. The only icon that I really still don't like is this icon right here, this little file explorer icon, and what it is it's a binder in a or not a binder, it's a little folder inside or inside one of those metal folder holders, and it just doesn't look good. I like this little My PC thing. I like these new I like these new drive icons. I like these. These are really from Windows 7 here, but but these icons here are nice. These are nice. All these icons here are nice. This desktop icon, these picture icon things here, and I like them all. I like the new settings icon. I like all this stuff here. But the one this icon needs to change, guys. Jesus. Yeah. So, and then besides the icons, this little opening animation here. I don't know if I explained that. I tried to do a recording earlier and I explained it, but I don't think I've explained it this time. There's Windows 8 on the side with live tiles and little sections for your live tiles here. And on this side, there's the Windows 7 start menu or the reminiscent of Windows 7 start menu with a little Metro slash um, Metro slash modern UI look kind of thing. We've got your settings up here, which I'm not going to click on because I think it shows personal settings. But you've got the new settings app down here, File Explorer, Power Button, and All Apps, which is kind of like the Start button inside the Start menu. And as I said, this I'm hoping this is going to change because it is a bit cumbersome right now, and it'd be cool if it was a bit more open. Yeah. So what to explain next? Actually, I'm gonna go to something that hasn't quite been covered as much as everything else, and that's this little guy down here, the task view. Now, this is actually a really cool thing. If we click on New Desktop here, we can actually have multiple desktops. And if I open, I mean, a great example of what this might be used for is if I wanted to say go to Task Manager, which I think there's an easier way to open things, by the way. But right now, I'm just going to go to this and go to Performance. And now I have this little performance section of Windows, and then I have this little desktop here. It's very similar to the Alt-Tab concept, but except it's pretty much a whole nother screen, and I don't even think you can access. Yeah. They're not even here on the screen. So this is just for, like, in this case, CPU activity, memory activity, Wi-Fi, and app history and all that stuff. I've just used it for that. You can use it for whatever you want. You can have games on one screen, projects on another screen, and all that fun stuff. Um, but this is the way that I'd probably use this if I did end up using it a lot. Okay, moving on. So we have what's next? I guess the next thing to go to would probably be the new settings app, and that is this guy right here. And what this pretty much is this is the replacement for Control Panel. It's a bit simpler, a bit easier to a bit easier to God, I can't speak. A bit easier to navigate through because, I mean, here you have all this random stuff here. I mean, what does all this mean anyway? Intel Rapid Storage Technology, Internet Options, but what's the difference between Internet Options and Network Settings, wherever that thing is? So I mean, pretty much what this does is this makes it easier to navigate through things. So I can search, I don't know, Bluetooth, and I can go to Bluetooth settings and look for Bluetooth devices and all that fun stuff. Um, and you can go to your internet settings with your networks here and your data usage and all that fun stuff. VPN, dial-up. My God. Do people still use dial-up connections? If you still use a dial-up connection, please tell me in the comments below. You probably don't because I don't think anyone uses dial-up anymore. But yeah, proxy settings, Ethernet, all that stuff, and this is actually pretty cool. So you can you've always been able to kind of do proxy settings through a browser, but doing it through a whole internet connection is slightly different. And what this means is you can also connect to, like, for example, if you're at like school or something and you have a laptop, you can use a proxy to connect to your apps and stuff that might be blocked by your school. Hopefully they're useful apps and not ones that you really shouldn't be on. But but yeah. So that's useful. We've got a new update screen here and the Windows Update thing. I'm using the Pro version so I can kind of choose what updates get installed. But for most people using the Home version, you can everything will be installed automatically. You won't have really any control over that. If you do want control over it, I would just pay $10 more for the Windows Pro version if you don't already have a computer that can be upgraded. So activation stuff here. Windows, this is just activation, product keys, all that stuff, backup, recovery, Windows Defender, and for developers, which I think crashes the app when you click on it. It does work. It didn't used to work. It does now. Privacy settings, personalization, background. This is pretty cool. So you can set your background picture and colors and all that fun stuff. Ooh, accent color. I like that color. Lock screen, all that fun stuff. And I guess this is basically your this is basically like what everything looks like, all the cool stuff. So like what your start menu looks like, what your lock screen looks like, and all that fun stuff. And yeah, you've got your time settings here, which by the way has a really cool new thing here. I personally would like a clock up here if I could get one, but I can. This looks pretty cool still. So yeah, that's that. Um, have I not gone over anything? Kind of system settings here. Tablet mode, this is a new thing. And this is part of something called Windows Continuum, I think it's called. And what this means is Windows will pretty much detect what kind of computer you have. You have a tablet, do you have a phone, do you have a PC? And what it'll do is it'll automatically change Windows to adapt to your device. Everything I mean, people have tried to stress this before, but people don't seem to get it. Windows 10 is the same across all devices, and I mean, the same across all devices is kind of, it doesn't, that's not exactly correct, but it's the best way to describe it. It's the same ISO across all devices. So you will download the same ISO, whether you have a phone, a tablet, a computer, and as soon as you load up Windows, Windows will say, oh look, you have a tablet, we'll set you to tablet mode, or you have a phone, we will automatically configure Windows Phone for you, or you have a PC, we'll set you to desktop mode. And that's actually pretty significant. I mean, they tried to do this in Windows 8, and it really did fail because, as I said, because of that start menu, because of the full screen, because the full screen games and not games, but like full screen programs. That was also really annoying. The fact that everything was in full screen and I couldn't actually access this menu down here, when I was in full screen mode. Um, and yeah, it really is a neat thing. Besides that, we've got all these settings down here, the about screen, the offline maps. Don't know why I have that here, but but that's all that. So, next up we come to Cortana. And Cortana is Microsoft's new personal AI. It's meant to rival Siri, and it does a very good job of it. Not so much on the PC yet. The voice is still very robotic on the PC, but on the phone, on Windows Phone, Cortana is very smooth, and she really does sound like a person when you're talking to her. And there's a cool new thing. I think I think Apple tried to copy it with Hey Siri, but I can do Hey Cortana. Oh, if it'll come up. Hey Cortana. Okay, it's a bit buggy, but but I mean, I'll just do a simple thing. So if I click on this listen button down here, um, actually, here, um, okay, how about this? Can you open airport utility for me?
Sure thing. Opening airport utility.
I mean, look at that. Airport utility opened, and I probably should blur that out because those were settings there that you probably shouldn't have seen. But yeah. Okay then. What else? Hey, Cortana. Come on, I've got to get this to work before this video's over. Hey, Cortana. There we go. Oh, you. Oops. And I crashed Cortana by saying yo. She doesn't like it. Hey, Cortana. Okay, open settings. Oh, geez, I really did crash Cortana. Oh, yep, that's a crash. Ah, here we go. Okay, hey, Cortana. Open settings.
Okay, here's settings.
There we go. And that thing is kind of weird, but I mean, you can open she can open stuff for you. And as I said, the voice sounds a bit robotic, but she sounds a lot better on the phone right now, and I'm sure they'll update it on this. Um, so yeah, what else to explain? The new apps. A lot of things have changed. They have added a couple apps like Network Beta here, which isn't quite ready yet. The settings app I've already showed you. Now, there's some stuff down here called Windows Administrative Services. I can't remember if this was all here. I know some of this stuff was, like Event Viewer Services, but I think there is some new stuff here, like Component Services, Computer Management. This screen looks kind of new here. I haven't seen it before. And this is how you like configure new hard drives and all that fun stuff. Um, so yeah, I had a little list of stuff next to me to have stuff to talk about. But I seem to have forgotten. Okay, so okay, let's move on to the notification center. This is a neat little thing, and you'll find a lot more of a use for it in tablet mode or it's called Action Center, I think, still in oh, actually no, it is Action Center. I'm an idiot. So pretty much here you can control a couple of your settings. There's a lot more in tablet mode, as I said. But if you turn on tablet mode, there's a whole bunch of stuff that you can do down here. And actually, I might as well just show you guys tablet mode quickly. So what tablet mode does is, well, first it does that, but back. And my computer does not like tablet mode, as we've just seen. Let's turn off tablet mode. So what tablet mode does is it pretty much sets your start screen to full. to full screen, and I think you can still use this desktop background here, but it's mainly just the full screen thing here. So anything else? I'm just trying to think. There's been a lot of changes that have been made, and it's kind of hard to go through them all, but I will try my best. I will try my best. What else do we have? I don't know. Let's just go through all programs and see. Camera. I'm pretty sure if I click on this, it'll crash my computer, so I'm not going to do that. I tried it on my little Dell Venue 8 Pro tablet thing, and it completely destroyed my computer. Contact support. This is new. So what is this? Is this what I think it is? Oh, wait, this is what I think it is. Wait a second. Let's do Windows, I don't know, just randomly clicking stuff. Technical support. And I'm pretty sure what this is going to do is... Okay, so you can chat online, you can ask the community, which is the forums. By the way, the forums, oh my god, the Windows 10 Insider forums are so helpful. The people there are amazing, and especially the Microsoft engineers who really do go out of their way to respond to almost every single post in some way, shape, or form. It really is incredible. Yeah, and you can always schedule a call or have them call you as soon as physically possible if you have like a really, really severe issue that you need to talk about, or else you're gonna like lose all your settings and stuff, or lose all your programs and personal files, and yeah. um, so yeah. Oh, by the way, we do have a new set of sounds. I can't really get them all here, but I can do this one at least. So there's our new little sound test thing, and actually, if I go into if I go into settings, I might be able to get some stuff out of there. Let's do this. Notifications. Where would I find the sound stuff? I don't know. Sounds. Here we go. Oh, here we go. So here are all our new sounds. We have asterisk. I don't know what half these are, but there. Oh yeah, that's that. Calendar reminder. Neat. Close program. Nothing for close program yet. Critical battery. Critical stop. Okay, that's mostly the same. Default beep. Okay. Mail notification. Desktop device connect. Oh, that's neat. What about this? So that's disconnect. Failed to connect. Makes sense. Exclamation. Oh, all the same. Instant message. Oh, that's neat. it sounds a lot kinder than a lot of like the Windows 7 stuff, because I mean Windows 7 you click it would like beep at you or something like that, and these are really nice sounds. I like them. What about this? Oh, low battery alarm. Message nudge. That's neat. Fax. Mail. So basically that's all the same. Oh, that's neat. Play Windows startup sound. Oh, I like the Windows startup sound. NFP connection. I don't even know what that is. I've never heard that sound before. Notification. Nice. System notification. Same. Windows use. So this is like, I guess this is like their kind of default sound for stuff like that. What else? Windows user account control. Search. Speech recognition. This is different. I'm not sure what that is. Let's let's see if I can find the startup sound. Windows. How do I get to the Windows startup sound? I am not sure. Yeah. So those are the neat new sounds that we have. What else? Oh, OneDrive. I keep forgetting about OneDrive. It was kind of here, just kind of lingering around in Windows 8. But OneDrive is basically it's basically the cloud for Windows, and it's fully integrated into it's completely fully integrated into Windows now. So click on here. We've got documents, music, pictures, public, and pretty much it's seamless. So you upload something to here, just click and drag, and it automatically gets uploaded to the cloud. It's a lot easier than going to a separate app or something like that. And personally, I think this is the best possible way to do it. It really beats out Apple's version of this by going to a website and telling it or telling it what you want, then having to download stuff and all that. Nope, everything's seamless here. And this means it's all synced to my computer. So if I wanted, I don't know, a document or a music or a picture, Blender test, personal school. I don't know. Let's do school. I don't know. But if I wanted to like grab a file or something from there, it would be really really easy to just click and drag, and it'd already be here pretty much. So yeah. I'm gonna hope that I'm still recording actually, by the way, because I don't have this up down here. Hopefully that worked. Oh yeah, Firefox. Okay, I did forget about something actually. It's Project Spartan down here. So, this is neat. This is oh, this is something that's been a long time coming. We're getting rid of Internet Explorer. Finally, we are getting rid of Internet Explorer, and it's being replaced with this thing called Project Spartan here. And what this is it's or they're calling it Microsoft Edge now. I like the name Project Spartan, but Edge is cool as well. So what this is it is the new Internet Explorer, and by that I mean it's completely redesigned from the freaking ground up. It doesn't look horrible now. It doesn't have all those weird toolbars here. It's smooth. It looks nice, and it's cool. It's fast. It's a lot better than Internet Explorer in pretty much every way. It's got better download speeds, although the download speeds at this time do not match that of Firefox or Chrome. The one thing that it does match is JavaScript. So say, or Java programs in particular. So say like you're running, I don't know, RuneScape. Great example. If you're running RuneScape in your browser, it will run at almost twice the speed of Firefox or Chrome. And that is pretty significant. That means a lot, and I mean a lot of Java optimization has been done on this. And that's pretty cool. Another cool thing you can do is kind of just make a web note. So if I wanted to go to about, I think I can do this, about blank, and just draw on it a bit. Nope. Let's just use a marker. So if we do hi, I can't do anything. And I could save that to about blank, or save it as a web note. And what that'll do is that'll allow me to go back to that at any time. So say I wanted to go to a website like newegg.com and click on, I don't know, and oh look at this, look, I want that. I want this $1,200 gaming laptop thing. Let's circle that and highlight it and everything. I want this computer. And yeah, I could now save this as a note. Me want computer. Add. And now, if I were to X out of this, I could go to favorites and this. And oh look, it's here! It's here! It's here! Except the highlighter doesn't quite work, but it's here! um, and I don't know about you guys, but I actually think that's pretty cool. So yeah. Is there anything else that I have missed? I'm looking around here. What else might I have missed? Oh yeah, by the way, Cortana functions as pretty much everything. So search, I can search for programs here. If I go to, I don't know, open broadcasting software, and this is this guy right here, which I've been using to record anyway. There we go. Hello. Oh, the the trippy screen of trippiness. And yeah, that's that. Is there anything else? I don't think so. I think I've pretty much covered everything. Oh, wait. Clocks, clocks, clocks. There's something cool in alarms and clock. This. I love this. I love this a lot, actually. So this is what this is this is a sun map, and pretty much this shows what's sunny and what's not. So local time, we are right here. Give it a dig. I don't know. Let me just add Allentown, PA here. Allentown, PA. So there I am. Let's go to, I don't know, London, England. I keep forgetting that stupid comma. um, what else? I don't know. It's and pretty much this just shows all the times and everything like that, and I find that pretty cool. Oh, and stopwatch and timer. These things have been something that, or these things have been. Oh God, I've been wanting these for ages. I mean, the stopwatch and timer have been on iOS and Apple for ages, but you haven't really gotten them on Windows Phone or Windows until now. And it's pretty cool that we have them. Oh, let me just get a sip of tea. I haven't actually been drinking my tea, and I'll need to leave for work in 20 minutes, so, and I've got 2 cups here to drink. Yeah. Forgetting about my tea by accident. Oops. And yeah, I think that's it. So, is there anything else? Not really for this video. I will update you guys as things come out. Once this cool little, where is it? What happened to it? Oh, network beta. So once network beta comes out, I will show you guys around that and what it's about. I'm sure it's a little replacement for this thing right here, which is cool and all, but it might need a bit of an update. So yeah, until next time, I've been 1ADog1 or Aiden, as I don't know. I don't know anymore, guys. Until next time, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.